boys and girls. Welcome to Growing Guitar Lovejoy. They've been with us before a long time. Now they perform Perfect Blue. Before we look into that song, I want to highlight my new channel, Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Yes, I need your help. You have to help me out to grow that channel, so go and check out my channel, Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. A link up here somewhere. It's cool because you're gonna learn to play full song with chords shown from beginning till the end. You can just neglect my talking because I'm not gonna talk at all. I'm just gonna play for you guys and you'll learn. That's a good deal. Now let's focus on Perfect Blue. No need for any capo here. We have a couple of chords to go over, 5 of them I believe. So let's start with D minor first. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then we have the A sharp. We're gonna go with the sus2 version. So that's a bar first on the 1st fret. You have 5 strings to push down from beginning up till this point. All strings except for the last E string in the bass. Then you need to add 3rd D and 3rd G. We have G as well. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we also have the F chord, which is a bar again on the 1st fret. This time you push down all strings, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And finally we have the A. That goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. The strumming in this song will be very easy. It's 4 downs for 1 string around. So if you grab the 1st D minor chord, like that. I want to emphasize the 3rd down, so I play on the bass mid area when it comes to the strings here in my strumming hand. Then on the 3rd down, make sure I go all the way down to the higher strings, and then back to the bass and mid on the 4th down. So that gives a certain rhythm like this. Okay, so we're ready for the first verse. You're gonna play D minor 4 string rounds, then A sharp 2 and G2. You're gonna play that portion for 4 times, okay? So I'm gonna give you 1 round. It goes like this. Then we have this melody that goes in this song, and I'm gonna give you the notes, and you can kind of build in them into the D minor chord. So it goes like this. So you're gonna start on the 3rd fret E string, the high E string, then 1st E, then back to the 3rd E, and back to 1st E, then 2nd B, and 3rd B. And then again. That is the melody, okay? So you can play that in the D minor, something like this. So what I do here, I keep on holding that D minor chord, and I use my little pinky to get the 3rd fret E string. And I lift off and still have that 1st fret E string with my index finger from the actual chord. So then I go into this with my little ring finger. I slide in to get the 2nd fret B string, and then I slide back again to get the 3rd B. Okay, so you can use the strings around the actual notes you're playing, but make sure you have very pointy downstrokes so you don't play all the way everywhere on the chord, because the melody will disappear there pretty much. So have very pointy, you know where the melody goes, and really get these strings where the melody goes, and then you can have surrounding supporting strings to help you to give some meat and backbone to this. Okay, so okay, so that's the technique you use. That's the verse play. Then you're gonna play that for 4 rounds, like I mentioned. That will be both verse and pre-chorus covered there. Okay. Then you're gonna reach the chorus at 53 seconds in, and the bastards. That's where on the lyrics. Now you're gonna play the A sharp 4 string rounds, then the D minor 4, F4 and A4. You're gonna play that portion for 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together. Then the second round. Okay, that is the first part of the song. Now the second part is just repetition when it comes to the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. Okay, so everything we just learned is just repetition, same amount of times and everything we just learned. Okay, then we have a bridge slash outro part left, comes right after the second chorus. That's 2 minutes and 46 seconds, somewhere at that time mark. What you're gonna play now is the A sharp 4 string rounds, D minor 2, A2. That portion of these 3 chords, you're gonna play for 3 rounds. So A sharp 4, D minor 2, A2. 3 rounds of that. Then you're gonna play A sharp 2 and G2 3 times, and then you're gonna end with 8 string rounds on that D minor. And guess what, guys? That is the finishing of Lovejoy's Perfect Blue. Nice song. Okay, so cool, kind of bizarre playing there with this melody, a little bit kind of X-Files vibes on the song. I really love that. So if you do that as well, then give me a like on this tutorial, subscribe to this channel, also my new channel, Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Love that as well. Need your support there. So thank you in advance, and have a nice day.